How is that fake? Hi, Mike. What are you doing? Okay, this is the hay room semi. Has jumps in here that we are going to use. We're painting them currently. That's hay. That's where our cat is, but I don't know where Freckle is.
Oh yeah, and Allie.
Allie, didn't she leave?
No, I think she kind of abandoned us. Yeah.
Wasn't?
Mikey.
Yeah, that's the hose. Tied this and I can't get it undone. I tied this.
All right, look.
That's the bedding, but we have more bedding in this random stall. It's pretty nice bedding.
I thought it was a spider.
Oh, that's Buddy.
Buddy, you're naughty.
Yep.
It's like,
My little buddy. He's evil.
by Victoria. I mean, owned by.
And Poe! He's a cat.
He's a scaredy cat. He doesn't like to go by the door.
Hi, Alexa.
That's Alexa back there.
We barely even got you. The sun was in it.
There's
That's
Kiko. But
He's
he's
getting
currently being lessoned by Anna.
She's getting ridden right now. Oreo.
By Justine. Kiwi!
Oh, there's Kiko. How was what's his face? That's Kiwi. That's Buddy. She's evil. She's evil. I'm scared of
He's gonna
her.
bite your face off.
This is my best friend. Blue.
Blue!
She's so big and amazing.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Bob.
It's Blue. Molly forgets names sometimes.
He's my best friend.
Blue, you're gonna get stuck there.
That's Kiko. Hi, Kiko.
Kiko spooked today. And Anna fell off.
That's Laddie. Isn't he adorable?
I know,
Just
right?
look at him. This is our green room. Pretty epic.
Yeah.
Wait, I want to show them the Hello Kitty. There's a Hello Kitty clock in here. No, that's not Hello Kitty.
We're so mature.
Look at the thermometer. Have you ever seen that?
Lion and an elephant and a panda bear and a monkey and giraffe and bodies.
And a zebra.
Rhino.
Look at zebra. It's so cute.
People can ride those.
It's currently 30 degrees. Not really. It's more like
Yeah, it's a little
60.
All right, let's go. Oh wait.
Hold on, I have to close this. Okay.
This is the jumps that my dad painted.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome.
We have colorful jumps.
And he might put like semi-shine on it so it's all shiny.
Could blind the horses. Just kidding. This is our lower barn. That's Sam.
Rest him. He's pretty.
Sammy!
Pretty.
He's
He passed away.
how old is he? You're young.
A baby. Wait, you forgot Brady.
This is Brady.
He passed away.
Yeah. Why do we keep a stall like that? There's poop in there.
Well,
That's-
actually, probably
That's Harvey's stall.
They're Jess our trainer is in Virginia with him.
I don't know what that is. I don't know.
Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, these two horses are in Virginia, but there's a dog in here. It's our semi. You should go in there. And come here, Finn. He could jump really high. Finn. 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 Oh boy.
He jumped, like he was jumping up there.
Ben, sorry,
He's probably tired.
No, he's walking later. He's like,
Yeah, that's how border collies walk. Acting like a dog.
no, he hurt himself. No, because he's like this.
No, he's fine.
No, he's not.
He